In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a drop-down menu in Google Docs. A drop-down is a small, clickable list that lets you choose a value without typing, which is perfect for tracking progress, organizing tasks, and keeping collaborators on the same page. Start by opening your Google Docs document so you're ready to work. At the top of the screen, go to the Insert menu. From there, hover over Smart Chips and then click Drop-down. Smart Chips are Google's interactive building blocks in Docs, and the drop-down option is the one we'll use today. When the drop-down editor opens, you'll see two paths. You can choose one of the preset drop-downs, which are designed for common workflows like projects or reviews, or you can create your own by selecting New Drop-down if you want something quick and standard. A preset is great if you need labels that match your process. Go with New Drop-down. If you're creating your own, add the options you want to appear in the list. Things like rough draft, review, and final draft work well for writing. You can rename any option as needed, and you can assign a color to each one. Color coding makes it incredibly easy to scan a document and see status at a glance. Pick colors that are distinct from each other so no one confuses the stages. And keep option names short and clear so they fit neatly in your text. Once your options look right, click Save, and the drop-down will appear in your document exactly where your cursor was. It's compact, readable, and ready to use. To use it, just click the drop-down and choose the option that fits. You can change your selection later whenever your status or answer updates, and the color will update automatically along with it. This simple tool is surprisingly versatile. Use it to track progress through stages like draft to review to final, manage projects or tasks across a team, collect quick responses to prompts inside the document, and keep collaborators aligned on the latest status without long comment threads. For team documents, drop downs help everyone use the same vocabulary, prevent typos, and keep information consistent. You can place multiple drop downs throughout a document at the top for an overall status, inside tables for task lists, or in line with text where decisions need to be made. That's all it takes to insert and use a drop-down in Google Docs. A few thoughtful options and colors can turn your document into a lightweight tracker that stays current as you work. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.